Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Just got this interesting radio. This is Bajeton BJ-8300. Let's see what this radio is and make some tests. The radio came in this box. Inside the box you can find the radio itself with the battery, with the antenna. In my case I got two antennas for short waves and for medium waves with the SMA male connector. You can connect these antennas to this port. Telescopic antenna for 27 MHz adapter, USB-C cable, user manual in English, and additional stuff. The radio looks pretty good. On top of the radio you can find the volume knob. You can turn on the radio. This antenna, the main antenna, has SMA female connector. This antenna works on 2 meters band and 70 centimeters band. These parameters for 2 meters band antenna works good. These parameters for 70 centimeters band. On the right side you can find the headphones and data cable port. On the left side PTT button and two functionality buttons. The color screen, additional buttons. The battery has USB-C port. You can charge the battery almost everywhere. The radio has embedded Bluetooth for programming. I can't find the battery capacity, but we can find the voltage, 7.4 volts. Let's compare the size of the radio with the Yaesu VX6R. Working band for VHF and UHF band from 136 to 580, and for reception mode from 760 until 1 GHz. This radio can catch the air band.
Runway 1 millimeter. Estimated surface friction. Good. Transmission level 60.
Actually, this radio has embedded receiver for short waves, long waves, medium waves, which works for short waves from 2.3 to 30 MHz. FM radio from 64 to 108 MHz, and long wave and medium waves receiver. Using this radio you can listen to the broadcasting radio.
El povestea Centrului de Istorie Orală din Radiodifuziunea Română ce atmosferă a găsit la universitate atunci când a devenit student.
Just connected this telescopic antenna, and this antenna works much better than this small one. Let's enter to the main menu of the radio and see what about the steps. A lot of steps. Next, power box. I think the most of the menu like in the old Chinese radios. Let's go next and see scrambler, noise reduction, Bluetooth, reset, RX modulation, and firmware and hardware version. Long waves. Currently I'm using the telescopic long antenna. The radio has spectrum scope functionality. Just I'll press this button. Enables this functionality. You can change the bandwidth of the spectrum. Using this button, change the modulation, type of modulation. You can change the SQL using these buttons, up or down. Let's check the frequency. Yeah, it works. Let's measure the maximum transmission power. 2 meters band around 7 watts, 70 centimeters band around 8 watts, 200 megahertz 3.3 watts, 350 4.7 watts. 290, nothing. 300, 3.5 watts. Let's measure 27 MHz, citizen band, 5.3 watts, and 52 MHz, around 6 watts. But I think this not efficient power on this band, because when I use my SWR meter and wattmeter, if you see some reflection right here, it means we have a lot of harmonics on another bands. Let's see using the tiny SA. 145.5 MHz, 2 meters band. Let's wait the second harmonic. 70 centimeters band, 433.5 MHz. Let's measure 27 MHz. A lot of harmonics. I think this radio should work on VHF and UHF band only.
United States and vice versa. And I think he thinks
Medium
that's
waves.
okay, and that should be a cause for the celebration of our diversity. We find solidarity with our brothers in Africa who are fighting climate change.
If you don't know the frequency of the additional radio, for example, you can use the frequency check, frequency measure functionality, and just short press this button, UHF band, 200, 350, and UHF back. Let's check the frequency. Just press PTT button, you will see the frequency. You can save this frequency to the channel.
Confirm.
And you see this frequency right here. For example, let's change the frequency to this one. Press PT button again.
Memory channel.
Save to the first channel.
Confirm.
Confirm.
2, 1.
Testing, audio. This is Bajeton Radio 8300, testing, microphone, testing. Audio, testing. This is Bajeton BJ8300, testing, audio, speaker test.
This radio you can connect to the smartphone using the Bluetooth. Just select your version of the radio, press this button and press read data from the radio. The applications you can download for Apple or for Android devices. All parameters you can change right here and right back to the radio.
Frequency mode.
Let's disassemble this radio. This is Bajeton 8300. The speaker connects to the main board using these wires. Right here you can see the antenna port for the receiver SI 3732A chip. On the opposite side, all made pretty good. Let's zoom and see all components. Amplifiers 0609. Next, BK3829 chip, main chip. I think all made pretty good. The screen connects using this connector to the main board.
United States and vice versa. And I think he thinks
Medium
that's
waves.
okay, and that should be a cause for the celebration of our diversity. We find solidarity with our brothers in Africa who are fighting climate change, and he's looking to build
160 meters band. You can change the band. Just press this button. You can change the band or modulation. Let's select LSB or CW. Let's LSB, initialization, and switch to the SSB mode. 80 meters band. Three megahertz. Russian Pirates. 40 meters band. Currently I'm using the telescopic antenna for this band because I tried to use these two antennas. As a result, the telescopic antenna works much better. 20 meters band.
Information and thank you for the flower. In the small your signal report is 5757.
You can catch the pirates. FM radio, just press this button and the radio starts scanning. I think this radio really good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.